The concept of influencing weather patterns has existed for decades, ranging from efforts to produce rainfall during droughts to attempts to disperse fog. While traditionally associated with agricultural or civil applications, experts caution that these same techniques could be adapted for military purposes, potentially transforming the atmosphere into a strategic weapon. Weather modification involves a variety of methods, including cloud seeding to enhance rainfall, reducing hail formation, or preventing fog. Aircraft can release chemicals into clouds to increase the number of ice crystals, which encourages precipitation. Special salt flares can be burned to stimulate rain, while other techniques seek to weaken storms or control snow formation. Historically, such measures have been deployed during the Vietnam War, in preparation for major public events, and to support military logistics in adverse weather. In theory, these capabilities could be harnessed to disrupt enemy operations. Artificial hail could damage aircraft, icy fog could obstruct visibility for ships and vehicles, and prolonged drought could harm agricultural output. Some scenarios even envision cloud seeding to create toxic rainfall, blurring the lines between environmental manipulation and chemical warfare. On the battlefield, weather-altering techniques could obscure targeting systems, complicating the use of precision-guided weapons. The appeal of such tools lies in their potential to act indirectly, disrupting infrastructure, supply chains, and morale without conventional armed engagement. However, experts emphasize that atmospheric systems are highly complex and unpredictable. Attempts to induce rain in one region could inadvertently cause flooding in another, or even shift drought conditions to a new location. The atmosphere, they note, does not recognize national borders, and changes in one area can quickly influence weather far beyond the intended target. The 1977 United Nations Convention on the Prohibition of Military or any other hostile use of environmental modification techniques prohibits using such methods for warfare. Despite this, interest in civil weather modification projects continues, though results have been inconsistent. Notable examples include efforts to manage weather for aviation safety during the Second World War and large-scale cloud seeding programs in arid regions. Recent events, such as severe flooding in Dubai following cloud seeding operations, have renewed concerns about the unintended consequences of weather intervention. While there is no definitive link between the floods and human activity, the incident underscores the challenges of predicting and controlling the results of atmospheric modification. As understanding of weather systems remains incomplete, experts warn that interference could trigger chain reactions with unforeseen outcomes. Beyond the scientific uncertainties lie significant ethical and diplomatic questions. Altering weather in one country could harm another, potentially sparking international disputes. The possibility of so-called weather wars may remain hypothetical for now, but the discussion reflects broader anxieties about how emerging technologies could reshape the nature of conflict. The central dilemma is not simply technical feasibility, but the balance between innovation, responsibility, and the global impacts of manipulating the natural environment.